Hi everyone, this is an unusual video for me, just something short. Apologies in advance if the 3D printer kicks in with noise. I'm in the middle of 110 hours worth of 3D printing at the moment, which is why I haven't got any videos prepared. But we're all makers, so should be fine, right? Anyway, I wanted to call out someone on YouTube, a maker on YouTube. The channel is called Atomic14. He's only got 2,600 subs. He should have 25,000 or 50,000 subs. He does amazing stuff. He works mainly with microcontrollers, ESP32s, but also some Raspberry Pi and 2040 stuff in there as well. And he's just like working on amazing projects, and no one knows about it. So I wanted to let everyone know about the channel. I'm going to have a bit of a look through. Hopefully I won't get any copyright strikes or anything from this stuff. I've been binging a bit of his stuff. He's just making some incredible stuff. Like, he's built a game console. So he's built a game console. I got it, just wanted to pause it there. Out of an ESP32, and he's built a laser control system out of servos, and he's built a game controller. He's got an audio controller he's put together, and this is his, like, a game console that he's built, and it controls lasers, frickin' lasers. And it's basically, he's built an asteroid game. How here's his gamepad that he's built, custom gamepad, right? And let me get to over here, and he's built asteroids with sound and a game controller, all like a laser up on the wall. He's projecting it. And not only has he done that, but for those people that want to build the project but don't necessarily want to build the laser stuff, he's also got a version of the code that'll run on a TFT and on an OLED. Like, it's just incredible. The guy's, like, amazing. Lots of videos about audio on the ESP32. He's even got an M5 stack that he's been playing around with audio. He's got some fusion stuff in here, 3D printing, some mechanical stuff, bit of PCB design stuff. Like, he's just really, I believe his name's Chris. I think I've heard him mention his name's Chris. He's in the UK, and he's honestly doing some amazing projects, and no one knows about his channel. So I know this is kind of a weird video for me to make. I quite often call out people's channels on my streams for people to follow, but I really think Chris, hope it's Chris, deserves to have his channel go gangbusters. He's doing really, really amazing stuff. So if you haven't heard of Atomic14, go check out the videos and sub. And if you have heard about it, well, why didn't anyone tell me earlier? Seriously. That's it. Just a quick video, as I said. In the middle of production on my Tiny S2. Yay! I've got half assembled test jigs everywhere, including some very unassembled ones. Lots of 3D printing. Super busy, but I wanted to take some time out to just call out Atomic14. Seriously, go check out his channel. It's amazing stuff. Anyway, hope you all have a fantastic weekend. I will catch you all later. Bye.